Good morning, everyone. I'm Deb.
I'm Jay.
And today we are at Todd and Kiera Linda's Whimzyland house. So I think it started with just 8 bowling balls. From what I've read, they went to a flea market and it said that you could take 8 bowling balls for free.
Yeah, there's bowling balls everywhere.
There's over 600 or 800 bowling balls on the property.
Oh my gosh.
So yeah, it's like where do you look?
Everywhere.
Yeah.
That's where you look.
I mean, I love this pathway.
Yeah, mosaic of all kinds of different tiles and ceramic pieces.
Can you see me? Can you find me?
Deb, where'd you go? Deb. Kind of blended in with the tree there.
Wow. It would be interesting if this lights up at night.
Yeah, to see if it kind of...
If they're working chandeliers.
Looks like they're wired. Some of them are wired. A few of them are. There you go, Deb. I can make you something like this. I've got a lot of extra CDs that are no longer worth anything.
You're going to scare all the birds away.
Yep.
No.
No.
We just bought a bird feeder. So the owners still live here. So you're not allowed in their house, so I can only imagine what the inside of the house looks like if the outside looks like this.
Yep. Yeah, we heard they're traveling right now, so they're...
Yeah, they go to art shows, and that's how they support what they do.
And probably gather more stuff to make into more art, I'm guessing.
And so this is the kind of stuff, this wire art is a lot of what they do to make money.
It's all hand done. Like they have, I'm sure, tools, but it's not. Nothing's done by machine.
Rust-proof aluminum.
Yep.
And like there's a sunflower.
That's really
that's
cool.
cool. Look at this one.
I'm digging the sunflower. What's this one? Oh.
And you can buy their art online, and they will ship it.
They can also make a custom one, right?
Yes, if you want your name or just a word.
Yeah, they'll make it custom and have it shipped right to you.
Ooh.
And there's bowling balls everywhere. Probably a nod to their origin. I mean, every place you look at the eaves on the houses. Like it got.
Look at these privacy.
Ooh. Oh, that's really intricate. The wood.
Yeah.
Look at all the mosaic here. Like everywhere.
Yeah, that's unbelievable.
In the center of it looks like there's a travel coaster from Washington, D.C.
Oh, yeah.
As the eyeball.
Oh, that's a plate.
Oh, it's a plate. Okay. Huh.
Is that a manatee?
That is a man. Is it? Yeah, it is a manatee. Manatee on a bowling ball. There's something you don't see every day. I'm partial to these bottle trees, especially with the blue.
That's cool. That giant bird cage.
It's pretty big. I wonder if you'd fit in there.
Oh, I'm sure I could.
I wonder if it locks.
No.
Stuff is crazy cool.
Oh, that's the one. That's the one across the street for rent.
What's that?
The house we just looked at.
Yeah.
I was thinking it was on this side.
Oh, okay. So what? That was a rental. So I was right, apparently. A giant egg.
I think so.
Looks like it.
I like this because, I mean, there's so many trees around this property too. And then they just throw this art in here.
And it kind of blends all together, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's just, this reminds me of the art place where like literally every place you look, you find something new.
So these are made from like a water bottle. So there's the top of the water bottle. And then you just
Then you unwind it and paint
spiral it and paint it.
That's actually a really cool idea.
Great for a kid's activity.
Yeah, for sure. Art class.
That's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Now we are really overstimulated
And hot.
and hot, so we're gonna have to go get some lunch. So again, thanks for watching and stay curious.
Keep exploring.
Bye.